Alright guys, today we're going to be unboxing GQ's Summer 2020 Best Stuff box. There's 9 items in here. Their total value of those 9 items was $347. GQ's Best Stuff box is a quarterly subscription box that you can receive with men's items, and right now it's been okay. Every quarter I think it costs $50, or you can get it for $190 for the whole year. So this one is summer themed, and most of it is men's health products this time, so it kind of sucks. First off, we have Bather swim trunks. I already redeemed this, so you can try to look at the code, but I've already redeemed this. This is a $95 value on this card, but really it's an $85 swim trunks everywhere else, so they misprinted this on the card. Another thing that came in the box that's not health or skincare is this toiletry bag by Boarding Pass. We'll open it up and take a look. It comes in this nice green color, I guess, which looks nice. Ooh. This does not feel premium at all, but hey, it's not bad. Doesn't even use YKK zippers. It's SBS. I've never heard of that company. Let's see if it zips and unzips well. Ooh, yeah, it's a little bit rough. Inside is a blue, I think, nylon material to keep all of it, waterproof on the inside in case you spill something. Boarding Pass is a New York-based travel brand founded in 2012. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is great. The stitching is pretty good, actually, on this little handle. But other than that, I wouldn't say I'm very impressed by this little toiletry bag. Okay, moving on. We have a very generic brand. Shampoo and conditioner mix. Method. They sell this at Target, guys, and it's probably like $3 or $4 at Target, and they're saying this is worth $11 on their little pamphlet. Anyway, there is a Oribe Luxury Soft Molding Paste. I think this is for hair. Let's open it up. It seems like it's a sample size. It's only 1.7 ounces. Oh, it's only half an ounce. It smells really good, actually. I opened it, and from about 6 to 7 inches away, I could smell it, and it smelled good. Wow. It smells really good, though. It smells amazing. I've never heard of this company, but I'm very excited to try it. It's a molding paste. I'm gonna put it in this green toiletry bag for now, because everything else in here is toiletry items. Okay, next is a perfume that's in a sample size. And this perfume is by a Frederick Malle. Frederick Malle offers the world's greatest perfumes, the freedom to create their masterpiece. But they charge $67 for this on their little pamphlet that they said this is worth. For a sample size perfume, by the way. Let me double check to make sure. Oh, and I didn't tell you about the hair goop. It's the hair molding goop was $39, and the scent boosting Frederick Malle thing was $67. Okay, here's a little sample size of Serum, which is something you use to hydrate your face, I guess. Yeah, I've been getting into skincare, so this is nice. It's nice packaging, at least. Comes in a little squeeze bottle. Seems kind of cloudy on the inside, but yeah, look at that. It's a nice size. I like how these all came in a nice small size, so you can sample them, but nothing really interesting in these boxes this time, at least. There's eye cream by Context. This is a interesting thing to include in a men's care box, but at least this one is very easy to use and usable. I mean, it's eye cream. You just put it on over your eyes, right? Let's see. They wanted $35 for that eye cream. And for the serum, it was $49. $49 for an ounce. Eye cream was... doesn't even say how much was in that eye cream. Let's see if the bottle says it. Half an ounce. Okay. For the next piece, they have a Hydrochloric Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. I think this is like the last one where it was a face wash. But this one has hydrochloric, the acid, I think, to help clear your skin. Hydrochloric acid, yeah. So this is pretty good too. And will fit perfectly inside this toiletry bag. It's nice and full now with all the stuff they give you. And they wanted, well, it's $22 for 20 milliliters in that size, based off of their little pamphlet. Here is the AOS soap bars. They give you 2. This will be nice for travel. The Art of Sport. Very cool. What's inside this? It's a very natural looking one. Activated charcoal, shea butter, tea tree oil, non-irritating. It's not an ingredient. Non-irritating is not an ingredient. Okay. This is terrible. Okay. And that was the box. Well, and for the hand soap, or sorry, the body soap, it's $9 for 2 pieces. Wow, that was actually, that price actually makes more sense to me than everything else in that box. Nothing crazy in this box this time. I like the one right before this one a lot better. The spring box. It had gym shorts, sunglasses, some more like tangible items that you can use around the house. This time it was more focused on skincare, and it's summer. I don't want more skincare for summer. I'm sweating. So this box, I think it only gets a 5 out of 10 for me, and I wouldn't recommend the GQ Best Stuff box if it was just based off of this one. But I mean, overall, the GQ Best Stuff box have been pretty good, but this time I would say they're very much lacking. Alright, thanks for watching the video, and if you want to support the channel, use the Amazon link down below when you're shopping. And if you like this kind of content, feel free to subscribe, and thank you.